Okay, we're going to be finding divisibility. When you're dividing or finding a number is divisible by 2, you simply see if the last number is in the 2 time tables. And 0 is in the 2 time table, so this can't be divided by 2. So we'll check that. Divisibility by 3. We add all the digits and see if that sum is in the 3 time tables. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 0 is 3, and 3 is in the 3 time tables, so this can be divided by 3. Note that it can be divided by 2 and 3, then it can be divided by 6. Now for division by 4, we look at the last 2 digits, which is 10, and we ask ourselves, is that in the 4 time tables? 10 is not in the 4 time tables, so no, it's not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5, the last number needs to either be a 0 or 5, and we do have a 0, so this is divisible by 5. To be divisible by 9, we have to add the digits and see if it's in the 9 time tables. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 0 is 3, so this adds up to 3, and 3 is not in the 9 time tables, so that doesn't work. So this can't be divided by 9. Okay, can this be divided by 2? So 212. The last digit is in the 2 time tables, therefore this number can be divided by 2, or should I say the last number is even. So can it be divided by 3? Let's add the individual numbers. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 gives us 5. 5 is not in the 3 time tables, therefore we cannot divide this by 3. Now we need 2 and 3 to be divisible by 6, so this is not divisible by 6. We would need a 3. Now, divisible by 4. The last 2 digits are 12, and 12 is in the 4 time tables, therefore this number is divisible by 4. To be divisible by 5, the last number needs to be a 0 or 5, and that's a 2, so that's not divisible by 5. And to be divisible by 9, the numbers need to add up to a number that's in the 9 time tables. Well, 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. 5 is not in the 9 time tables, so we say it's not divisible by 9. Next, is this number divisible by 2? The last number is even, or should I say it's in the 2 time tables, so this can be divided by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Say 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So when you add these numbers together, you get 7. 7 is not in the 3 time tables. Therefore, we need the 2 and 3 time tables to be divisible by 2 and 3 in order to be divisible by 6. So this is not divisible by 6. Now, for 4, the last 2 digits is 14. 14 is not in the 4 time tables, so this is not divisible by 4. And the last number is 4, so it cannot be divided by 5. It would need to be a 0 or 5. So, divisibility by 9. Let's add the individual digits again. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So this adds up to 7. 7 is not in the 9 time tables. So 214 is only divisible by 2. So 215. Let's see. The last number, is it divisible by 2? Nope. 5 is not an even number or in the 2 time tables, so we'll say no, not. Now, for divisibility by 3, let's add 2 plus 1 plus 5, and I will get, I think that's 8, and 8 is not in the 3 time tables. So it's not divisible by 2 or 3, so it will not be divisible by 6. Now, is it divisible by 4? The answer is no, because 15, the last 2 digits, is not in the 4 time tables. Is it divisible by 5? And the answer is yes, because the last digit is a 5. Is it divisible by 9? Well, remember, 2 plus 1 plus 5 is 8, and 8 is not in the 9 time tables. So it doesn't work for a lot of these.